Today, I'm going to tell you the ways in which you can reduce salt in stew. In case we are going to prepare 1 liter of a stew prepared, then we can take all these type of vegetables separately, generally which we use for adding in the stew, like 25 grams of potatoes, carrots, beans, peas, and onions also, which will be almost 1 handful chopped of each vegetable. Put it in a container, add some water, half boil it. Now add this half boiled vegetables to the stew which is already prepared. You can add any other flavoring agent like ginger pieces, garlic, curry leaves, etc. except salt. Take care that you cook everything on slow fire. Now taste for the salt. Another alternate method is for the same 1 liter of stew to be prepared, you can take 1 cup of coconut milk and half a cup of normal milk plus half teaspoon sugar. Mix everything well nicely and then add this mixture to the stew which is prepared. Now cook on slow fire.